Now come to the point comparison between electrovalent and covalent compound. Electrovalent and covalent. In case of melting point and boiling point, as the force of attraction between the atoms in ionic bond or in ionic compound is very high, that's why the breaking of the bond is difficult. So melting point and boiling point in case of electrovalent or ionic bond compound is very high. Okay, but here in covalent bond or covalent compound, the bond is formed due to sharing of electrons. That means force of attraction between the atoms is lower than that of ionic bond. So the melting point and boiling point in case of covalent compound is low. That means breaking of bond here is easy. Conducting of electricity. As the bond is formed due to formation of ions, so the on passing of electricity or the capacity to conduct the electricity and heat is very good. In case of organic compounds or covalent compounds, it is very poor. Okay. Dissociations of ion. On passing of electricity, the ion dissociates. In case of electrovalent compound is very smoothly, but in case of covalent compound, the dissociations of ions is not so smooth as well as electrovalent or ionic bond. As the bond is formed due to the formation of ions, on passing of electricity, the ions will dissociate well. But in case of organic compound, it is very poor or unsmooth. Solubility. In case of as electrovalent compound is dissolved in water, as water is very non-polar covalent compound, so it will help to dissolve the polar compound or ionic compound in it. Okay, so solubility in water of ionic compound is good, but organic compound or covalent compound is dissolved in organic solvent like ether. Rate of reaction. So after formation of ions, the bond is formed in case of electrovalent or covalent compounds. That's why the rate of reaction is very fast. And in case of covalent compound, it is very slow. Okay, so these are the comparison between electrovalent compound and covalent compound.